Welcome to NetCents, choice and freedom to pay your way. In 1995, only 1% of the world's population could access the internet. By early 2016, that number climbed to 3.1 billion, and hundreds of thousands more connect every day. Today, it's possible to send a message around the world in seconds via email, something that used to take days or even weeks by traditional mail. Despite these advances in technology, millions of people do not have access to a bank account as the fee structure is too high. Thankfully, through technology and IT, there are new and innovative solutions that are giving everyone access to money management currently only accessible to people with bank accounts. Cryptocurrency is decentralized digital currency held electronically via the internet and is a rapidly growing market based on the number of transactions. It can be used to facilitate all transactions in the payment services, money transfer, and foreign exchange markets. With cryptocurrency, you are independent and free of central banks. Not even a banking crisis can affect a cryptocurrency. Currently, the world of finance is in turmoil. The UK is leaving the EU. Financial markets are suffering massive currency losses. During times like these, cryptocurrencies have become a viable alternative. Although cryptocurrency is repeatedly subject to theft by hackers, banks have recognized this and are developing their own security measures. The difference is that central administration of the bank-owned servers and subsequent legal parameters mean that financial transactions are overseen by governmental authorities to ensure compliance with statutory regulations, which slows down the process. Because cryptocurrency was developed independent of banks and central administration, products are being developed more quickly and are entering the market entirely independent of banks. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, as it was the first and most popular decentralized cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was introduced in 2009, and in 2016 alone saw its value leap 125%. If you compare Bitcoin investment to other markets in 2016, such as equity markets, which only had a 9% gain, or gold, which only had a 6% gain, Bitcoin is a viable hedge against currency fluctuations and even an investment safe haven. Blockchain technology is the underpinning of cryptocurrencies. It keeps a digital ledger of transactions without the need for a central authority. Bitcoin is used today for the administration of documents and contracts, and also to conduct secure financial transactions in seconds. Even though there has been widespread adoption and significant growth, problems exist for both consumers and businesses in the digital currency marketplace. For consumers, transacting with digital currencies is still very technical, which makes them cumbersome and confusing. Consumers are unsure how to buy or sell digital currencies. This fragmented market forces users to open or download multiple apps and deal with multiple exchanges. For businesses, the real problem with accepting and transacting digital currencies is that they are complex and uncertain, as there is no universal process and no viable solution they can use. Their current options for accepting payment, such as credit cards, bank cards and apps, are also expensive, which takes money from their bottom line. NetCents' specifically designed digital currency processing platform offers consumers and merchants an integrated solution for managing electronic payments on a global basis. NetCents is built on the latest security best practices, and we utilize the clearing services of the Royal Bank of Canada and run on the RBC Corporate Bill Payment Services platform. We access over 145 data sources around the world to ensure NetCents meets all KYC, AML and ATF compliance guidelines. Our data sources include exception reports generated from EU, UK, US, AU and UN sanctions lists, and also most wanted lists from FBI, Europol and Interpol to eliminate fraud. We aim to capture the migration from cash to digital currency or Bitcoin by utilizing innovative blockchain technology to provide payment solutions that are easy to use, safe, secure and worry-free, accessible from multiple points via mobile, desktop and tablet. Users can safely and securely do things like send money to friends and family, or pay businesses for goods and services in the currency of their choice, including digital currency. Signing up to use the NetCents platform is easy. Go to net-cents.com and click on Login and sign up for an account. From here, you have the option to use the eCount or Bitcoin. eCount contains options to load, withdraw, or transfer funds from a bank account, or pay with a credit card. Bitcoin contains options to buy or sell the digital currency. Users can also transfer the digital currency to other users or wallets, or even pay with Bitcoin for goods and services. From the activity screen, users can track all of their transactions done through the platform. For merchants, the NetCents Universal Plug-and-Play API takes the stress out of online transacting by enabling businesses to easily and securely accept digital payments, including digital currencies. Our aim is to close the loop by finding ways to make our platform even more accessible for business endeavors. Our promise to merchants is to always have the lowest transaction fees with no chargeback fees, never need to worry about fraud or transactions that clear, never have to change credit card providers or banks to get the lowest fees, always be on trend and up to date with new digital currencies adopted in the marketplace without the need to upgrade to accept these currencies. The NetCents platform is currently available in 194 countries. In the first month alone, we processed $4.5 million and have had a monthly revenue of $100,000 and growing. There are 28.5 billion ACH-based banking transactions yearly, and based on our current transaction volume, NetCents is on target to capture 5% of these transactions by year 5. Join the thousands of people using the NetCents platform worldwide today. NetCents, choice and freedom to pay your way. Visit net-cents.com for more information or to sign up and use the NetCents platform.